A very beautiful good morning to all of you. How are you all? Hope you are doing great at home. Today we will learn about birds. Birds are the last group of animals. All birds have two legs, wings and feathers, a beak, and they also lay eggs. They walk with two legs and they have two wings that allow them to fly. Although there are some birds like penguin and ostrich that don't fly even though they have wings. Birds can be found everywhere in the world. Now I will show you few birds. Sparrow. This is a small bird and generally found everywhere. Parrot. This is a domestic bird, green in color with red beak. Crow. This is found everywhere and has black color. Duck. This bird generally like to live in water. Hen. Hen cannot fly high and it gives us egg also. Pigeon. This is a domestic bird. This was used as a postman in the past time. Eagle. The bird flies high. Its eyesight is very powerful and we call it as a hunter bird. Woodpecker. Its beak is long and strong. This bird can make hole in a tree by its beak. Crane. It has long legs and hunts small fishes. Owl. An owl has a big eyes. It eats insects and small birds. Peacock. Peacock is our national bird. And peacock is the one of the most beautiful birds on the earth. Now let's recall. Sparrow, parrot, crow, duck, hen, pigeon, eagle, woodpecker, crane, owl, peacock. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.